Welcome to this lesson on how to lay out your XLGL report. In this video, we will learn about the different types of layout XLGL offers. With XLGL, you can lay out your report in three basic ways, each with their own advantages and limitations. Manually, as a table, or as a free-form automatic layout. This workbook has been prepared to show an example of each type of layout. On the Layout panel, we can see the organization of the file. Each worksheet is shown with the layout elements on it. You can quickly switch your view to a worksheet or layout by clicking them in the panel. The first sheet presents a manual layout. Everything on this income statement was typed in manually. The objective was to be able to create custom grouping of accounts for a simplified view. This is still a dynamic report as the figures will update when we change the dates, and the report can be refreshed with up-to-date data from Sage 50. This is possible thanks to the use of XLGL worksheet functions. These are usual Excel functions that can be used in regular formulas, just like sum or average, and that will pull and summarize data from your Sage 50 company. Manual layout have the advantage of giving you complete flexibility. On the other hand, they can be cumbersome with repetitive data and formal formatting. We will learn more about XLGL worksheet function in another video. The second sheet presents a table layout. A table layout organizes your data in a strict column and row presentation that is managed by XLGL. Each column corresponds to a single field and each row to a single record of information. Columns with formulas can still be used, and you can use regular Excel table formatting as well. A table layout has the advantage of being very fast to update and usable with many Excel tools, such as filters, sorting, lookup functions, pivot table, and so on. On the other hand, they are limited to a presentation as columns and rows. We will learn more about XLGL table layout in another video. The third sheet presents a free-form layout. Similarly to table layout, XLGL will manage the presentation of the data, keeping the formatting consistent. However, you have much more freedom in how your data is presented. Fields do not need to follow strict column and row layout. Each record can fill a rectangular area with total freedom with the placement and formatting of every field. On the other hand, free-form layout are slower to update and should not be used with large data set. We will learn more about XLGL free-form layout in another video. This has been a lesson on how to lay out your XLGL report. Continue watching to learn more about XLGL and how you can use it to achieve outstanding reports.